I don't know what this is, but it looks cool. And this is
Museum
awesome.
for females, apparently.
Maybe if they had like the hottest females, that would be a good thing.
Probably that's why they have it. Holy shit, I just saw one of these.
You saw what?
Nothing.
What color?
They're blue.
Oh yeah? America. Anyway, there's a big ass line for this, man. It's like 15 euros to get in. I think we're gonna go somewhere else. Let's go that way, man.
Let's go.
So pretty much Germany is really pretty. The girls aren't as hot as
The
Swedish girls, but it's still hotter than the US. That's a TV tower apparently. And over there, I don't know what they're making there. Look at that house. Oh snap, we should have thrown something at them, man. That would have been cool. Alright, well, I guess that's it for now.